Hey guys, welcome back to Mike's World. Today we're going to take a look at these. These are little portable hand warmers, rechargeable. Take them with you on the go. You know, everybody's used to those packets of hand warmers that you got to break and they work for a couple hours and then you throw them away. These are rechargeable, reusable, and you can keep these with you. Great for your little emergency kit. Throw them in the car charged up in the winter. You never know when you might need them. We're going to unbox them, take a look at them real quick, and then come back here and tell you my final thoughts right here on Mike's World. All right, so let's unbox these. There's no kind of brand name on them. They just say hand warmers. You can see right here it says portable, rechargeable. It's hard to read that. What's that say? Stable temperature. Small and handy. But let's open them up because that's what matters. So really quickly, going to come with a charging cable. Pretty standard USB-C to USB-C. Looks like USB-A. So you can charge both of them at the same time. And these things, they kind of look like a mini little mouse, like almost like a mouse you get with an iMac or something. So small, portable, looks like a charge indicator. And so if I turn it on out of the box, it's at 1. So they're going to have to be, oh, I'm sorry, that's the temperature indicator. So 1, 2, 3, and 3 being the hottest. And I can already feel it warming up. Oh yeah, it feels really good. It heats up really fast. So this whole area right here is your heat sensor, or heat is the part that heats up. So you put that up against your palm, and that's really warm. I wish a video could explain how warm it is. Hold down the power button, turn it off. Obviously you get a second one. Again, turn it on. And let me look here on the side, and there is where you power them up or charge them. Comes with all your instructions, and that is it. One of my lights just died, so there you go. 2 portable, rechargeable heat warmers. Does away with those old break them and heat warmers that you're used to, disposable that you throw away. Pick these up, keep them in your emergency kit for the winter. Great to have. Yeah, all right, guys. So portable hand warmers, these things are great. Perfect for your little survival kit, your winter kit in your vehicle, or anything else. Combined with some other items that I've reviewed here on Mike's World, and great little kit to put together. So I do highly recommend these. These are pretty inexpensive, pretty cheap, and great to have in an emergency situation, or if you're really cold, things like that. You're out in a sporting event. Keep your hands warm. Just grip them. They're sleek enough that they can slip in your gloves. So that's another great thing about it. Hey, if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed, like the video, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. You can also, if you're on YouTube, pick any of these items up. Links in the description. If you're on Amazon, obviously it's a tag product. Go pick one up. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time on Mike's World.